break your heart. I'm only gonna break. Fucking, you guys like Nichols?
Fucking damn ass fucking chocolate motherfucker. He fucking, like, yo, damn, you a fucking annoying ass motherfucker, dog. Shit, it was a fucking crazy motherfucker. I'll send you back today, motherfucker, back to Mexico. Annoying ass motherfucker. By the way, Plessy, hi, man. It's gone for a minute on back.
King, why are you so racist, man? Why can't we all just be friends?
Hey, man, no, look. I'm not a racist. I'm just saying, like, you motherfuckers annoying. When I say Mexican, I don't even talk about Mexican, you know what I mean? I'm not talking about in general, like, you know what I mean? I'm talking about Mexican in the fucking walkie-talkie. I was explaining myself right there, you know what I'm saying? Now, you know, I respect Mexican.
Talking about with a name like Arabic King, nigga, you a queen. Come from a third world country, Yemen. That's a third world country. Niggas is poor. There's a civil war going on there. Ain't no fucking money. You come to America to fucking work at a deli, nigga, to do the graveyard shift while the boss of that shit is getting taking it off of your labor. Understand me? You ain't come here to pursue no career. Come on, man. And you trying to act like you black. You're not even black, nigga. What the fuck wrong with you?
You know the poor country you talking about, motherfucker? They slaving your ass, man, for fucking 700 years, motherfucker. Fuck you talking about? Look at the history, nigga. We slaving y'all, nigga. We fucking y'all woman. That's what y'all look like us, boy.
Oh, fuck you, bitch. Fuck you, mother sister. Oh, yes. Fuck you. Fuck you till them. Fuck you, Daesh. And Daesh, fuck you till them. And fuck you.
Hey, King, one thing's for sure though, you a pedophile.
Hey. I don't give a fuck what you call me. You know what I mean? You would sound like, right, you know, like you do sound like a young girl. When this motherfucker hot the buttons, he was talking from the back room, I thought it was just fucking mom. But I don't know, you can call me whatever. But you saying it with a big smile on your face. You know?
Yeah, but that's not what you said before. You said I'll take that bitch next to you or something to that kid. We all heard what you said, Sammy. Fucking chomo.
Yeah, that's bad. That's a bad thing. Now when I see him, I'm really gonna do something to that nigga, man. For real, like, seriously, more severe than what I was gonna do. But yeah, this nigga come from Yemen. They fuck little girls. It's okay for them to marry a 6-year-old girl. You understand me? It's just sick. Alright, niggas be fucking little girls, little pedophiles. So it's like, it's okay in his culture.
Attention, users, anyone talking removed from sitting back and keep hands firmly on a pretty piece of wood or the music will play louder. Thank you. Warning, every word you speak will start 5 minutes of your ha-ha music full of seisures and pissing.
Fuck, man. Understand me? That nigga Krabby took all that shit. He's a bitch. But y'all gonna see. I'ma prove it to y'all. Y'all might say like, but why he's doing all this? I'ma prove it. I'm just gonna show y'all. Who's...
You gonna make it today, bro. Yo, that's not even $6, I mean $3, bro. Stop playing. Stop fucking playing with me. Friday, bro. You know what I'm saying? Stop playing, bro. Yo, that's like I say, man. Yeah, that's what I say. Fucking kills. Yeah, I say, fuck, put some dick in that bitch. Now, you know what I mean? But he say, yeah, that's you talking to 12 years up, like now. Yeah, but yeah, that's what I say.
Now when I knock you out in your store, I'ma put the motherfucking broomstick up your ass. Feel me? I'ma violate your booty, nigga. That's offending.
Attention, Walmart shoppers, there is a sale in medications for Down syndrome and keep your hands firmly on the bottom of the pea in the tool section. Grandma took a small dump, don't smear it. Thank you.
Hey, yo, hi, man. Is your mom still her name's Stephanie, though? Because I just got my dick sucked by that bitch Stephanie, bro. Puerto Rican bitch. Pretty much like 45, something. 45 years old, bro. That's your mom, bro?
Warning, you are entering a restricted zone. In order to enter, you must find a small piece of wood matching your penis size. No cheating allowed.
This fucking CJ. I swear to God, man. This fucking dumbass girl. I wish I could kill that nigga, bro. For real. Fucking annoying, CJ. You and that fucking Mexican ass motherfucker right there. He drink so much fucking beer.
Hey, what's good, Blue? Blue Angel New York, what's going on, bro?
Nothing but nickels.
Niggas like, if he ain't got no money fucking drinking beer, I mean, he can't afford the beer. He drinking his mom's piss. He smell like liquors.
Okay, it took me forever to get to the button. I have to put this out there. What's up, everybody? But yeah, Daryl, you're a creepy motherfucker. You are a creepy motherfucker, and stop sending me messages. I don't even know who the fuck you are.
Daryl, that's my homie. You heard Dark Angel? Me and him are gonna do a few things to you. You're gonna lick the whipped cream off your pussy. Like that. Damn, that's some good pussy, girl. Damn.
Yo, did he say that shit? Me and the kills we gotta do 6ix9ine. And I'm gonna put some cream in that fucking pussy. I lick that shit and give me that noise. Shit's crazy. Damn, man.
Attention, Walmart shoppers, please do not laugh because if you explosively shit all over the floor, Grandma will have to clean it. She is already overworked and her child has a worm coming out of his eyeball. Does anyone have a band-aid? Thank you.
That's real fucking funny. You feel me? Like, yo, this nigga Krabby is sitting over here talking shit to everybody. He can't talk shit to me. You feel me? He's a pussy. It's a dirty Arab. Listen, he come from Yemen. Y'all can look up Yemen right now. You can look up how poor his country is. Like, he comes to America to work at a deli. You couldn't work at a deli in your own fucking country. How poor is it, my G? You can't make sandwiches over there for a living?